Chapter 11. Harmony and Renewal. 10-minute meditations. The Oasis Within. Objective: to rest alongside a desert oasis at night and deepen your calm. Find a comfortable position, such as sitting with your legs crossed or reclining on the ground. Focus on being completely still, allowing your body to relax and your mind to quiet down. Allow the surface beneath you to support you completely. Rest your hands in a way that feels natural, palms open, welcoming peace, or face downward to ground yourself in the moment. Exhale slowly and evenly. Blink a few times, then let your eyes close gently, letting everything quiet down. Inhale deeply and sense the cool air flowing into your chest, all the way down to your stomach. Exhale slowly, like a sigh disappearing. Pay attention to the space between your eyebrows and make your forehead smooth. In front of you, see a wide desert glowing in the sunset, creating long shadows and warming the sand with a golden hue. Sand dunes ripple like an endless sea, catching the last rays of daylight. Warm air carries the faint scent of unbaked earth and distant blossoms, and the horizon glows wide with shifting colors merging seamlessly into the darkening sky. Slowly, the sky darkens to indigo, and you watch the stars piercing through, like tiny lanterns. They shimmer against the deep expanse of the sky, painting silver patterns across the sand. Step forward and sense the grains shift beneath your feet, soft, welcoming, warm. Feel the gentle breeze as it brushes away the marks of your steps, guiding you along. Ahead, water trickles, not loud but steady, a whisper of movement in the stillness. As you continue walking, an oasis emerges in front of you, a sanctuary of calm nestled between the dunes. Tall palms rise, their fronds whispering to one another as they sway together in the night air. The pool looks like a mirror of stars in the sky. Take a moment to pause here, allowing the tranquility of the oasis to seep into your senses and still your thoughts. Kneel by the water and bury your hands into the cool sand by its side, grounding yourself in the moment. Gently reach forward and allow your fingertips to touch the surface of the water. Watch as the slow ripple expands outward, slow and smooth, dissolving into stillness. Thoughts arise inside of you, plans, memories, worries. Let them come. There is no need to chase or resist them. Let them drift like the ripples in the pool, widening gently, then disappearing into stillness. As you recline on the sand, feel it yield beneath you, molding its shape to match the contours of your body, grounding you in the earth's comforting touch. Overhead, the sky stretches infinitely, a vast ocean of stars, each one steady, distant, yet unwavering. Notice this vastness. In this still expanse, a space devoid of distractions, you exist fully in the present moment, embracing the simple act of being and immersing yourself in the serenity of the oasis. The night deepens as the oasis breathes with you. The water moving gently and the palm leaves rustling. The air is cooler now, and it brushes against your arms and your face, bringing with it the scent of water, of life and renewal. Rest in this peace. Let it fill the spaces within you, corners that long for stillness. Let it settle into your heart. There is nothing to do, nothing to fix, only to be, steady as the earth, open as the sky, and fluid as water. Time slows here. Let yourself drift in this moment. Imagine the palms swaying above you, their leaves catching the wind and moving with ease. You also feel this relief manifesting within you, resonating with the peace of the oasis, a deep, quiet knowing that you belong here, that you are whole. Now, listen carefully. Within the oasis, you can hear the sound of water getting deeper. A gentle current flows through the area, renewing and supporting life. It weaves through the silence like a thread of silver, its rhythm steady as a pulsing heartbeat. Each drop has journeyed a great distance to reach this moment. It has been drawn from hidden springs beneath the desert, rising to meet this moment, this place. Feel its patience, its persistence, a quiet force that carves life into the harshest expanse. This is your calm, too, emanating from within, steady and unhurried, nourishing the spaces you thought too hurried to hold peace. Notice how it moves without force, without rush, simply existing in the balance of the desert's rhythm. You, too, are part of this balance. There is no need to push or hold back. Simply be. Each breath draws you deeper into the oasis's gentle embrace, as if the very air around you whispers words of solace and acceptance. The soft wind cools your skin, the sand cradles your body, and the water hums a quiet lullaby. The palms above lean closer now, their shadows dancing faintly across the pool, as if guarding this sanctuary just for you. Their roots extend deep, unseen, and anchored against the desert's shifting tides, strong, enduring, and alive. Feel their strength echo within you, a reminder that your own source runs deep too. It holds you steady even when the winds of life blow strong. Allow yourself to remain here for some time, soaking in the peaceful energy. Now rise and wander deeper into the oasis to explore further. Beyond the pool, a cluster of low shrubs emerges, their leaves silver green in the starlight, heavy with the scent of faint dew. Small stones line the ground here, smooth and cool, worn by time into gentle curves. Kneel and touch one of them. Feel its weight, its quiet permanence. These stones have remained for ages, steady through the turning of stars and the arrival of each new day. They carry a stillness older than words, a calm that seeps into your palm, your chest, and your breath. You are a strand of light among the stars, woven into the ancient fabric of this tranquility, and you are not alone. Now let yourself explore. Rise and walk along the edge of the water, feeling the contrast of warm sand and cool ripples merge at your feet. Notice the silky patterns in the dunes, the way the light and shadow shift over the land, creating soft valleys and smooth peaks. Somewhere, a small fox moves with ease, attuned to this land of quiet beauty. This oasis belongs to them just as much as it belongs to you, a shared refuge, a place of peace. Turn your gaze toward the water once again. Observe your reflection shimmering back at you, not fixed, but shifting with the gentle ripples. You are not rigid, not bound to one form or one moment. You are always changing, flowing, and adapting, just like the oasis itself. Take a slow, deep breath in, allowing calm to expand within you. Feel the energy revitalize you as you exhale slowly, releasing any remaining tension into the night. The stars above gleam brighter, casting their twinkling light into the water. They dance over the sand, bathing you in silver and connecting you to the universe above. This is your calm, your strength, your sanctuary, a place you have claimed from within. It is not borrowed, rather it is a gift that you have discovered within yourself. When you feel prepared, shift gently to transition back. Wiggle your fingers and notice the sensation of the air around you. As you become aware of the room around you, let the present welcome you back, carrying the stillness and calm with you as you return. It lingers within you, a precious treasure you carry back from the depths of your own soul.